Cat6 Cat6 cable 4 pair wire configuration. First orange pair, and second one green pair, and blue pair, and brown pair. Orange pair used for send transmitting data signals, and green pair used to receive incoming data signals, and this one blue pair is used bidirectional additional used for additional data transmission. Brown pair also bidirectional data transmission and additional data transmission, and these two pairs also used for PoE, power over Ethernet support, for IP